Everyone, good morning. So, madalas nakafocus tayo dun sa past. Mas nag-exert tayo ng time na mag-focus dun sa past. Pero, kung titignan natin, past is past. There's nothing to do what have done in the past. Kasi nangyari na yung mga bagay-bagay. Hindi na natin maibabalik yung time na nawala sa past. Ang importante sa panahon ngayon is mag-focus tayo kung anong natitirang time sa atin para sa future. Yes, maraming tayong na-experience sa past na baggage natin. Mga maling desisyon sa buhay natin, merong sa atin na na-bankrupt, or merong nasira yung relationship mo sa asawa mo, naghiwalay kayo, nag-divorce kayo. Pero lahat ng yon nangyari na sa past. Wala na tayong magagawa. Hindi na natin maibabalik what happened in the past. The important thing is what we have right now, what we can do right now for our future, the remaining time that we have, and that is important. Huwag na nating hayaan na yung remaining time natin masayang pa because nakapokus tayo sa past, sa anong nangyayari sa past natin. Yes, hindi madali natanggapin na yung past natin is maraming mga bagay na hindi magagandang nangyari na nakaugat kung anong meron tayo ngayon. But we have to move forward because we still have remaining time to do more better, to become better, to become the persons that we wanted to be. Bitawan na natin kung ano yung past na meron tayo. Bitawan na natin kung ano yung mga baggage na nangyari sa atin in the past. Don't waste our time focusing what is already done. Wala nang maibabalik pa. Importante ngayon, you have still time to focus on the future that you have right now. You still have remaining time to see the future. You still have remaining time right now to become better so that what happened in the past, you will overcome it. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.